Jason came into us, he was a younger gentleman. He had never had a great smile. He had gone to many different doctors, seeking teeth replacement options or at least smile improvement options. And he just never found one that was going to be very comfortable for him. And they also were not guaranteeing him a very good result because of the skeletal issues that he was dealing with.
I came in, and when the doctor asked me, well, what are you trying to get done? I told him, I want to eat a steak. That's the driving force here. I want good solid teeth for maybe the first time in my adult life.
Jason has what we consider an underbite, and his teeth didn't align very nicely.
I chose these guys. I really liked the idea that they set a static price, and anything that happened was part of that price, basically. I knew what I wanted to do, and we just sat down and they confirmed, yes, we can or can't do it. They took a scan of my face and determined if I had enough bone mass. That was actually just a really easy consultation right out of the gate.
With the 3-on-6 dental implant treatment, which is what we ended up doing for Jason, we can oftentimes change patients' bite significantly. We have patients come in where their lower teeth sit out in front of their upper teeth, and that is not aesthetic to patients, and it doesn't look very good if you show more lower teeth than upper teeth. And we also have the reverse situation where their lower teeth sit so far behind their upper teeth that their bite is very collapsed. And that also creates aesthetic concerns for patients. We were able to replace all of his teeth and completely reestablish the way his teeth came together.
I came in here thinking if they're going to take all my teeth out in one go and then put screws in my face, how much is that going to hurt? I think that's the main apprehension. It's so surprising how much it doesn't hurt acutely. It aches. Your jaw is sore. Some stuff's been done to it, but it was not acute pain. It was easily managed with the painkillers, and I was up and around doing pretty much normal stuff within, if not the very next day, 2 days later. Right out of the gate, the minute you wake up, you already have brand new teeth all the way around. And that's actually quite a moment. And they look fantastic right out of the gate. So I did not come in looking for the smile. I came in looking for functionality, but you can't help but argue with the smile instantly is there. So moving forward from there, they didn't match correctly. Like you couldn't just bite with them initially, but that's just part of the situation. You actually come back for your follow-up and they can literally grind and mold the teeth until they set correctly. After your surgical set, there's an intermediary set of teeth. They build the space where your teeth are gonna go with that middle set. And by the final set, you're just coming in to get your brand new teeth. I think you don't realize how much it affects you. You know, like I had busted up, my front teeth were all chipped, they were all uneven, they were all discolored. It started to outline some stuff for me that I wasn't fully aware of. For instance, I used to be cognizant. I used to actually think about what angle people could view me at because I had uneven teeth in the front. And if you saw me from one side, there was a gap, but if the other, there wasn't. And I've actually realized I don't care about that anymore. I'm like, check them out, there they are. I used to have to like cut a steak down to practically where it was pulping, and I like never could just like take a bite, and now I can just go at it. If you're correcting something that you've dealt with your entire life, every step feels big to you, but they made it all feel easy along the way. And I think that goes miles and miles and miles, because there are times when dentists over-explain how severe a situation is to you, and they make it worse. I mean, they scare you. These folks, they were straightforward, they took care of everything, they made you feel welcome. If it wasn't for Smiles Only, I would still be suffering with problems that I don't need to have in my life.